Video, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress on a domain in Hostinger. So once you are through signing up on Hostinger, you'll be getting an interface just like mine. Already I have a website here. I have a website on this hosting, on this domain name. So, and just like I've said in my review about hosting, as you can see here, they are showing me the performance score of this website, which is very, very bad. I will still need to, do, because this is a new website I created. I will still need to optimize it. So what I'm just going to show you in this video is how you can be able to install WordPress on this hosting. So what I'm going to do is that I'll show you two things. I will be showing you how to create a subdomain using hosting, and I'll also be showing you how you can then install both on the domain name and on the subdomain. They are the same thing. So I'll be showing you how you can install a WordPress on both of them. So but let's first of all go with the first one. So if you want to install a WordPress, WordPress on your domain name here, so what you just have to do is to click on this WordPress here. So but the best way you can do that is to scroll down to here. We have WordPress and click on auto installer. So if you click on auto install, what it means that that's what we mean by one-click installation. So you just have to come down here where we have WordPress and click on select. So when you click on select, what you're going to see is it's going to load up something like this, and it asks you to enter your website name, which you can change later. I can enter anything of my choice. And sorry, you have to enter your admin email address, the admin email address you want to use. You can enter your username, you can enter the password you want to enter, and then you can as well click down on this advanced now. So if you want to install your WordPress website on your domain name that you have purchased, so what you just have to do is to select it here. This way you can select it. But if you already created a subdomain, you can equally select it here. So if I click down here, you see that I have these are subdomains that are under this newly built website, as you can see. So I can click on anyone to be able to install WordPress on them. I don't know if you get that. So this is how you can be able to install WordPress on both subdomains and as well as on domains of your website. So once you're through, you just leave every other thing as they are, leave them as they are, and just click on next. If you click on next, then it will take you to a tab where you can be able to fill out. Okay, I've not filled out this form, this area, so I will ask to fill it out. So I've done that. So you click on next. As you can see, it will take up to 55 megabytes, you see, and it has the very current version of PHP, so which is very okay, and also the very current website, WordPress, version, so which is very, very okay. So you just have to leave everything as default here and then click on install, and that's all. Your WordPress will be installed on the domain name of your website. That's all. This is just a simple way you can be able to do that. You don't need to waste a lot of time to install WordPress here. So I can just click on this. So let me show you. Let's say you have, or you want to create a subdomain and be able to install a WordPress on it. So what you just have to do is to come down to where you have domains. Let me show you that quickly. Where you click on domains and then click on subdomains. So if you click on subdomains and I want to create a new subdomain, what you just have to do is to click on this create here. Okay, just enter something. Let me just say demo, you see. Then if you want to create it, or if you want to install the subdomain on a different folder, you can equally click on this customize it. So what you do is to install it on a directory for you. So if you have an idea of what I'm talking about, you can just do this. But if you don't have an idea of it, then you just have to click here and click on create. So if you just click on create here, the subdomain will be created. Remember, from the Hostinger review I showed you in this channel, if you've not watched the review, you can go ahead and watch the review. So remember, I told you that they offer you 100 subdomains. So what means you can create up to 100 subdomains. So look at the subdomain I've created already. Now if I want to install WordPress on it, what I have to do is to click on auto installer here. I will show you in detail what this other stuff does, like add a website. Now this add website is if you want to add a website, want to add a website to the WordPress you've already installed on a domain. So that will be for another video. So once I click on auto install, I'll just click on select WordPress. Now, if you have other platforms that you want to use as well, you can be able to select it from this auto installer here. So remember, I will have to click on this advanced, then I'll come down here and I'll look at the recent domain subdomain I created, demo.martinvic.com. So, and what I just have to do is to click on next after I must have filled up all these sessions. So this is how you can be able to install WordPress on your Hostinger account. So see you in the next video where I'll be showing you in details more of the things you can do on Hostinger platforms.